To view or edit or delete your history in a browser, you just need to click on the ellipses in the top right hand corner and go down to history. Now to delete, it's a simple case of right clicking on them and clicking delete, or when you hover over them, you'll also have the X there. So you can see I've accidentally just clicked on one, but that's how easy it is to go back to previous sites that you visited. You can also go on to the recently closed, and then you can see ones that you closed. These were mine that I closed from yesterday when I was recording some other videos. But you get the idea. It's incredibly easy to delete. You can click on the three dots up here, clear browsing history. And then you can choose, and you've got some options on how much you want to clear. Do you want to clear just the last hour, the last 24 hours, all time, etc., etc.? And what is it you're clearing? Is it just your browsing history? Is it your downloads, cookies, cache, passwords, etc.? So tick the relevant boxes, press clear, and it will all get cleared.